Flor house by Stemmer Rodrigues Arquitetura in Porto Alegre, Brazil. Located in one of the few exclusively residential neighborhoods in Porto Alegre, Casa Flor, designed by the Stemmer Rodrigues office, was built on a steeply sloping plot, facing a square of great emotional value for the clients, a young couple of university professors with 2 children, who were longtime residents of the area. The family participated in the reforestation of the square, so one of their main desires when buying the plot was for the house to make the best possible use of the view, while ensuring privacy from the street. This was made possible by large glass openings that make up the entire facade of the house. The solution also ensured that the 3 floors receive natural light and cross-ventilation in all rooms, minimizing energy consumption and increasing sustainability. On the ground floor, a visual connection with the square was guaranteed through the transparency of the carport. On this same floor, there is also the entrance hall, the laundry room, and a side mezzanine, which houses the couple's library, composed of a large volume of books, displayed at eye level, a special request from the clients. Next to the library, a flexible nautical rope net hangs over the living room, creating an innovative and comfortable environment for reading and relaxation in the heart of the house. The lower floor was destined for the living room, which has a high double ceiling and is integrated with the kitchen and living area, spaces connected to the patio and the pool at the back of the lot. The 3 suites and the family room are located on the upper floor. With neutral tones, the materiality of the house is defined by concrete, steel, and wood, making the wide landscape view a special work of art in the project.